When we talk about the best and easiest way to earn and invest in the crypto world, then it indeed is a play-to-earn game. The play-to-earn games are mainly free-to-play, and earnings are in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFT, or coin-based currency, which then you withdraw in fiat currency like US dollars or pounds. We researched the market, and we found the best games of the year 2023, which you can surely check out and try the one according to your standards. We will be surveying not only the top 5 play-to-earn games of 2023, but there will be a bonus game at the end of the video that you all would want to try, so make sure you don't miss it. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain in a fun way. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Now you might have a question about what is the play-to-earn game. Let's first learn what are play-to-earn games in the crypto world. For those people who don't have a desire or means to mine cryptocurrency, earning by playing games that deal in crypto is the perfect opportunity. These play-to-earn games allow their users to earn by dealing with the in-game characters, breeding them, fighting with other users, and trading. All these games give the users some native tokens. Users can buy, sell, trade, and play with these in-game tokens, and can withdraw these tokens into your desired currency. With a further delay, let's dive in. On number 5 we have RobotEra. RobotEra is a metaverse game in which you own and control a robot and have different avatars. In-game tokens are used to mine resources, buy, sell, and manage land to build new planets in this virtual world. The game provides an open-world play-up-to-your imagination platform where you can manage the planet and robot according to your will. The story of RobotEra is of a planet named Taro, a once beautiful world destroyed, and the aftermath of war. You have now control of the planet, and you have to retrieve its glory. In this game, you can also interact with other users from around the globe. You can earn by selling NFTs, mining, land management, and many more. The currency in RobotEra is Taro, which is an Ethereum blockchain-based currency having a value of ERC20 token. Next, we have Lucky Block. Lucky Block is a very popular and trusted ecosystem. It offers more than 2,700 casino and sports betting games. In Lucky Block, the native token is ULBlock, which has already reached a $1 billion market cap. Among the thousands of interesting and interactive casino games, some are Dino Luck, Lucky Cloverland, and Glory of Egypt. Some of the market-leading game developers like Evolution had their games on Lucky Block. Along with the casino games, fees-free betting on sports, including Premier League and Champions League, NBA and NFL, and some leading video games such as Counter-Strike and League of Legends, is also an option. It doesn't require a lengthy procedure for new users, and a tip if you are in US or UK using a VPN. It provides vast crypto like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and many more. Dogecoin is the fastest way of withdrawing. On to the next one. Gods Unchained. In digital trading card games, this one for sure is the best NFT game of 2023. Gods Unchained uses its native token gods. The games give new users a welcoming set of cards, and you play with them. This game gives total control to the user of its items. The cards in the game are actually NFTs with real-world value. Users compete, win, and collect cards. Trading is also an option. The Gods Unchained game is built on the Ethereum platform. This game won 2 Polkstar Game Awards. If you know what that is, it's the Grammys of the web gaming industry. Holding more tokens is beneficial, as the more tokens you have, the more voting power, and you have a say in the game's future decisions. And that's a quick look into Gods Unchained. Let's move on to the next game, and don't forget there will be a bonus game at the end, so make sure you don't miss it. Tamadoge. You must have heard of the coin Doge. It is the most popular meme coin. Taking advantage of its popularity, Tamadoge game was built which combines the Doge currency with play-to-earn concept. Tamadoge allows its users to interact with in-game virtual pets. You have to take care of them, breed them, and can have battles with other players' pets in Tamiverse. This game is built in a similar nature to a classic 90s game Tamagotchi. So if you are a classic games fan, you will indeed love it. Tamadoge was the best crypto presale of 2022 and has great potential. Tamadoge is one of the most entrusted games because it has a great community. Tamadoge's community has been voted the best and the strongest community among those working with the NFT utility. You should check out this game. Buying Tama is very easy, you just have to buy USDT in US dollars. And from USDT you can buy Tama. On number 1 we have MetaMasters. MetaMasters Guild is a play-to-earn ecosystem that offers many engaging and interactive games. These games give rewards for winning and even for participating. The MetaMasters Guild has already developed many games like MetaKart Racers, Raid NFT, and MetaMasters World. In MetaKart, you race against other players from around the globe and also run from evil forces. And in Raid NFT, there are warriors, and you enter battles in hostile environments and conquer lands. MetaMasters World is an open-world exploring game with endless possibilities. The in-game tokens are 0.023 USDT. MetaMasters is soon going to launch and is going to be a very huge project. You should check out the website and buy some tokens because it is the fastest-growing play-to-earn game of 2023. And now for what you have been waiting for, the bonus game. Sandbox. Sandbox is one of the biggest platforms in the metaverse. Sandbox is in the field since the alpha version of the Ethereum blockchain and has been the best game since its launch in 2021. In Sandbox, you can be an artist creating NFTs, a game developer, and a landowner. The Sandbox offers in-game tools that allow users to make art or games with endless possibilities. Practically anything you can imagine. Sandbox works with its own currency called Sand. You can buy Sand from Ethereum, USDT, or Bitcoin. One of the best ways to earn in Sandbox is to own and sell land at an appropriate time. The Sandbox team continuously organizes competitions and giveaways. It is the most engaging and interesting platform. Sandbox has great potential. Owning a piece of land in the Sandbox metaverse is an asset to brag off. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. All the links have been given in the description. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.